Hello mates, welcome to my channel. Tanong, can you measure the compass? Yes or no? Answer is no. Hindi mo pwede ma-measure yung compass. Kasi yung compass, ang purpose ng compass ay mabigay ng direksyon lang. Compass will only give you a direction. Ang ma-measure mo yung distansya lang. Yung compass, mabigay lang ng direksyon yan. Direction. So, yun lang mates. Please like, subscribe, share, comments. Thank you.